Meanwhile, the territorial row in the West Philippine Sea was tackled at the lower house when it heard the proposed budget of the Department of Foreign Affairs next year. House Minority Leader Ronaldo Zamora wanted to know what measures are being taken to protect the country's territory. Again, here's Freddy Abando.
Hindi ba dapat panahon na rin na tayo ay magpakita ng konting pangil, konting tibay ng dibdib? Saan? Yung mga issue na lumalabas araw-araw. Tingnan po ninyo. Spratlys, Scarborough Shoal, yung tinatawag natin panatag, national territory. Hindi ba tayo dapat nagsasalita at hindi nagsasalita sa United Nations lamang, nagsasalita araw-araw pag yung mga nasa Pilipinas, matagal nang nasa Pilipinas, teritoryo ng Pilipinas, hindi ba dapat nagsasalita tayo araw-araw?
Minority Leader Ronaldo Zamora called for a strong and robust foreign policy in protecting the country's territorial in the Spratlys and the Panatag Shoal. Zamora issued a statement before the plenary debates for the budget of the Department of Foreign Affairs. The minority leader expressed concern with exclusive economic zone, the most recent of which is the discovery of concrete slabs laid down by China at the Panatag Shoal, which could eventually lead to the construction of a facility on Philippine soil. Zamora asked what efforts are being undertaken to press the Philippine position. Congressman Emil Ong, Vice Chairman of the House Appropriations Committee, defending the DFA's budget, said the DFA, led by Secretary Del Rosario, has undertaken diplomatic moves to pursue its claims before the International Tribunal on the Court of the Seas.
Ano ang ginagawa natin? Hinagalang kong kaibigan at kasama tungkol din sa mga concrete blocks na linalagay ng mga inchik doon sa Scarborough Shoal, doon sa Panatag. Ano ba ang ginagawa natin? Nanunood lang ba tayo? Ano ba ang ginagawa natin tungkol sa yung pang-araw-araw na pagpapasok, yung panghihimasok ng mga Chinese vessels?
We submitted the case to the law on the sea, the rights of the Philippines to exercise jurisdiction. We questioned that, and it's now under arbitration. And the position of the People's Republic of China is really to withdraw, requesting us. But the Philippine government, through the Department of Foreign Affairs, is strongly objected. Pinakita natin ang ating liderato na we will insist on a diplomatic way of approaching the problem, because we believe we have more reasons to claim the disputed areas. At alam ng China na mali sila.
In the meantime, DFA Secretary Alberto Del Rosario said the President is fully committed in protecting Philippine interests in the disputed territories. Del Rosario said the COC was loss for the recent Chinese incursion at the Panatag Shoal.
We employed a three-track approach. Yes. We did our best in terms of the political approach, the diplomatic approach, and having exhausted that, we had to resort to the legal approach. And we're there. That train has left the station, so we need to wait for the result.
Sir, what do we do with the concrete blocks?
Well, we are not focusing on the concrete blocks. We're giving priority to the COC, which is supposed to manage tensions, and we're giving focus to, we have to submit a memorial for the arbitration, and we have to do this by March, so we're focusing on that.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.